Hi, my name is Ryan. Today I'm working the charger again, this time with an angle grinder and a hammer. Okay, so at some point the front of this car took a hit while it was parked and bent this headlight mounting bracket in pretty bad. Look on this side here, it's straight, a circle in there's a circle, and this one, it's all crumpled up. Circle's kind of a teardrop shape now. I've tried hammering this out to make it flat again, and it just won't move at all while it's on the car. I tried taking it off the car, but even with all the bolts out, it doesn't move at all. So I think it might be welded in at certain points. So I'm going to do something kind of scary and cut this out, and then hammer it back into shape and weld it back in. Now the nice thing is, this should be flat. Looking at this side, it's pretty much perfectly flat, so this should be pretty straightforward, but that doesn't make it any less terrifying. So I wasn't able to get it straight with it together, so I did take it all apart. Now I'll try to flatten this out and then take this to an anvil and flatten it out there and see how far that gets us. So I'm not worried about getting this completely back to factory. Not possible. I need to replace this whole piece to get this back to factory. But I am kind of trying to get this flat and everything basically where it should be to mount the headlights properly. If I can source one of these pieces later, I'll replace it entirely. But for now, I'm mostly just concerned with getting this as straight as possible so I can put the front grille back on. Okay, so my next step is to get this to fit. I was just going to buy a new one because this was pretty badly bent up, but when I looked them up, they're like $400, which I don't have at the moment. So I'm going to make this fit as best I can. Hopefully I can get the fit well enough to get the headlights in and lined up. If not, I guess I'll have to buy one, but for now, I'm going to try to make this fit. Okay, so neither of these are perfect, but they line up alright. So they'll do until I can find replacements. Now as far as the actual pots that hold the lights in here, I am going to have to get new ones because they're like this, and I really doubt that I can get this back into any kind of usable shape. So we'll put this back in for now. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was before, so Unless and until I can get perfect replacements, this is how it's going to stay for now. There is some adjustment when you get the headlight pods on here. There is quite a bit of adjustment that you can do, and I can bend this a little more if I have to try to get the headlights lined up. If I can't, then I guess what I'll have to do is just cut out some sheet metal into this rough shape and custom make something to put the headlights in the right place. But I'm hoping that this will get lights close enough that they'll fit with the grill, and then I can actually aim the headlights. If they're just a little bit off, that's not a big deal right now.